Jerry's in this race, that red U2 boat.
19,
Oh, there he is up there.
17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11.
Here they come for the
10,
start.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Jerry's on the outside.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, rolled over. The yellow one rolled over in the first turn. Look like Jerry second place. White and red ones fighting. Jerry got to the inside. Let him go. Oh, he cut that thing just perfect. He got in between that dead boat and the buoy. Jerry Kelley, first place.
First lap, 1.
There's second. All right, there's third. We're down to a 3-boat race. Jerry's leading. He's got about a half a straightaway lead on him.
Second lap, 4. Good job getting caught up on the button.
Fourth lap.
2.
Lap 4.
Fourth lap, 4. Fourth lap, 2. There's your first place, folks.
That's Jerry. That's Perry Walter, the white boat.
Lap 2.
Here they come, Jerry. First place.
3.
Jerry first, Perry second. Dead boat on the backstretch. Here he comes.
You got second place. You can just bring it right in.
2.
All right. Give him a love tap.
You pushing your butt?
First,